guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face of my most expensive makeup. So I have something in every single category except for mascara. I don't own an expensive mascara. So I will be using the most expensive one I have, but it's still drugstore. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, I just haven't had the time. But now I'm going to do it for you guys. So I hope y'all enjoy. Grab a snack. I feel like it's going to be long and let's do this. Thinking about the price that I paid for some of these items really makes me want to throw up, especially because you know, I don't use some of these items or most of these items every day. In fact, I use a lot of drugstore makeup because I love the drugstore makeup and it works just as well in my opinion. So thinking about this like really makes me want to puke sometimes. So the first thing for primer, we have the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. This little guy is so expensive. It is $52 and no, I probably will never repurchase this stuff, but do I like it? Yes, it is magical. It is so magical. Like, if this was my only primer, I might repurchase. You know, I found some other primers that I like a lot. And so, the fact that I paid $52 for this hurts my heart sometimes. But it is a very, very nice primer. Smells good, feels great, and does its job. For foundation, I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Stay in place makeup, that's what it says. And I have mine in the shade Ivory Nude, in case you are curious. I really like this stuff. I've had it and used it for a while now, and I really do like it. The only thing is, like, I love this foundation, but you can't use it for pictures, which is what I would really want to use it for, because it does do the flashback. I've had my moment where I used it for pictures and then I was like, why do I look so pale? Like a ghost. And then these were like a Christmas cards and I was like, because someone warned me before that I should not wear this for flash photography. So I learned my lesson there. Oh, and I'm using the actual beauty blender today because it's the most expensive beauty tool that I do own. The beauty blender is $20. Personally, I think it's overrated because I love my Real Techniques one, but lots of people love it, so I just think that there are plenty of dupes for it out there that are just as good, if not better. But again, we're all entitled to our own opinions, and that is just mine. So for concealer today, I have the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and this is $32. This is... Whew, I cannot read that. Hold on. This is in the shade Fair. Personally, I do not like this concealer. I'm using it for today's video purposes only, and then I'm probably giving it to my sister because I don't like it and she loves this concealer. Also, I don't understand why the applicator is like 3 times too big to fit in the hole of the concealer thing. Like, you have to like really yank it out if you're wanting to do your concealer. They're making you work for it. That was their idea, I guess. For setting powder today, I have the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. This is from their Peach line, obviously, and this is $33. I'm almost done with it. Like, I've been stopping myself from using it because I didn't know if I would have enough for this video. I really do actually like this powder. It does a really good job of setting and mattifying. It smells like peaches. Tastes good too. Like, I know I shouldn't be eating it, but like sometimes it falls in your mouth, you know? So next for brows, we are going to be doing the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is like a cult classic, cult favorite. This is $22. And brows are kind of boring, so probably going to speed through this. Okay, now that brows are done, we are moving on to bronzer, and I have the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in the shade Tantastic, and this guy is $49. I don't own very many high-end blushes. I only own a few, in fact. But this was the most expensive one that I did have. The Too Faced Love Flush Blush in the shade I Will Always Love You. This blush retails for $28. So for highlight, I have the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. This retails for $28. Again, I don't really have a lot of high-end highlighters, but this was just the most expensive one that I did own. So moving on to eyes, I have this palette. This is the Sephora Pro Warm Palette. This costs $68, and you get a lot of shades in here, and it looks very nice and lovely. I have not used this like I probably should have for paying $68, but I would just like to say that I used it many times and did not like it, sadly. So we're going to use it here today because it's the most expensive palette I own. I'm just putting the white shade down to set my concealer a little bit more. So I'm probably not going to do like a talk through tutorial with this. So I'm just going to point and show you which eyeshadow I'm using and then just do it that way. Okay, so that was that palette. I don't know, I'm not the best eyeshadow, I know that as well, but I don't know, I just feel like I can make these looks with like a bunch of other palettes that I have, and I'm not super into the whole warm tone thing anymore. So I don't know, this palette was just kind of a disappointment to me, but that's just my opinion. Next for eyeliner, I have this Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Brownie. And this is $25 at Sephora. I love these eyeliners, they're so nice. I'm just going to line my waterline. Okay, so like I said, I don't have like a high-end mascara because I don't have one. So I'm going to be using the most expensive one that I do own from ColourPop, and it's $8. But I would like to say that the Lancome Monsieur Big is my favorite mascara, which it's $26, I think. I just ran out of it and haven't repurchased because I'm waiting to get it during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. So I've owned high-end mascaras, I just don't currently have one. My most expensive lip liner that I own is from MAC, and these are $18. Mine is in the shade Ruby Woo. Luckily, my most expensive lipstick that I own is also in a red shade, so... And you're probably thinking, why is your most expensive lip color a red? And I'm going to tell you that's a good question, because I never wear red. But you know, I want to have like a T Swift moment where I literally wear red every day with everything. I don't think I could pull it off, but I would like to. Okay, so my most expensive lipstick that I do own is a NARS Audacious lipstick, and mine is in the shade Annabella, which is a nice red shade, so perfect. It's gonna match this real great. And these are $34, which is expensive, but like these are such good lipsticks. Like it, ugh. And to finish everything off, I do have the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. Sorry, I had to read what this was because I haven't used it in so long. And this retails for $28. It's my most expensive setting spray. This also does like, it like saturates your face. So like I have to hold it like way out, you know? I need a fan. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. This is what my face looks like after using the most expensive makeup in my collection. Let's total it up and see what the damage came out to, like what this face costs here. Let's figure it out. Alright, so the grand total of everything that's on my face costs $460, which is crazy. And that's just what I'm wearing on my face. That doesn't even include the bling on my body, the clothes I'm wearing, the shoes. Like, that's crazy to me. Like, walking around with thousands of dollars worth of stuff on your body. But anyway, guys, that was everything I do have for today's video. If you did enjoy it, let me know down below. I want to do one of the cheapest makeup that I do have in my collection. And yeah, if you have any video ideas for me, just let me know down below. Say hey, so I can say hey back, and so we can communicate here. I love meeting new people and talking with you guys. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.